Welcome back, my joyful subbies, and welcome to all of you who may have stumbled across my channel. My name is Joy Fuller, and I am the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand. I create beautiful home decor on a budget. These items may come from the Dollar Tree, they may come from the thrift stores, they may come from yard sales, or even out of my home. Nevertheless, I create beautiful home decor for your viewing pleasure. If you want to learn how to create, or you want some ideas on how to create beautiful decor for your home, then consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. And hey, what do you have to lose? You're just supporting another crafting channel. And if there's nothing else, let's get into it. It's time to craft. Let's go. We will begin our DIY by wrapping the rope in a circular motion, adding a little hot glue around the wood round in a circular motion. The wood round and jute rope both were purchased from the Dollar Tree. We will continue wrapping this until we get to the center. We are on our way to making our first rope tray. And I'm adding a little glue each time I press the rope down. This DIY is affordable, and it is one of the easiest DIYs that you will see on my channel. And while you watch me wrap this around in a circular motion, we will just listen to some music. As you saw there, I have snipped the ends and adding some hot glue and getting ready to make sure it's connected smoothly from the end of the last rope. And again, you're just going to continue wrapping until you get to the center, wherein we will be changing the color because this is a two-toned rope tray. And I am pressing each circular rope up against the next. making sure to leave no gaps. As you can see, I have switched the color of the rope to the white rope that you can also find from the Dollar Tree to complete the middle section. I figured by speeding this up, it would save you from just sitting and watching me do this for a whole 30 minutes. So I did speed it up a little bit for your viewing pleasure. You're going to see me cut the white rope, and then I'm just going to press it down firmly to fill the hole in the middle. Make sure you're careful with the hot glue because this is a hot temp gun and you can get severely burned by it. As you can see, that is now complete, and now we're taking our Lux beans. I think this was pinto beans if I'm not mistaken. I washed the can out very thoroughly, sanitized it really good, and I have already outlined the back of this wood round to make sure that it's in the middle. You'll see me tracing the circle, and I forgot, I was in such a rush to get this done that I forgot to paint the back. So as you can see, I have immediately just went and continued with the rope using the white rope. Again, this is an extension of the rope that was in the front. I am getting ready to wrap it around the can and use a two-tone pattern. What you're not going to see on this particular DIY in this video is that I did end up affixing two smaller cans to this to give it a stable, so that the I can't get it out, so that the tray is stable. And I am just going to wrap it in circular motion, just as I did the front. I am just going to do the same thing to the outside of the can. Do 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 do. This particular glue strings is just too much. This glue stick had a lot of strings. I did purchase it from Amazon. I don't know if it's just this batch, because usually I bought this before and never had this many strings, but for some reason there's a lot of strings. I don't think I'm going to buy it anymore. I forgot the brand, but I will link it in the description box of this video, along with all of the supplies that's used to create this rope tray. As you can see, it's very affordable, and when you see it at the end, it's really, really cute. Again, I'm just burning the frays from the rope to give it a more finished and polished look. I found that by burning this rope, it makes it darker and gives it a more rustic look on your project. And then this rope right here, and there's that string, that pesky little string, pesky string from the glue. And you see I'm wiping off the dust that came from me burning the frays of the rope. And now I am getting a baby wipe. I am getting ready to get the burnt amber paint by Apple Barrel. And I'm going to use that as a stain. One, it cuts down on odors, and being that I do have a lung disease, I don't really use a lot of things with a lot of scents. And you can imagine having a lung disease, it makes sense, right? And because I didn't think of it earlier, I just went right in to gluing down the can. I am getting some of that brown paint on the white rope, but no problem, I have a fix for that. And you will see it coming up in a minute. It's magic. Cleaning my hands. Ta-da! And again, I'm burning the frays off the rope. And voila! I am just going to add a piece of this jute rope in the color brown around the base or at the edge of the white rope, and that fixes the problem. You cannot see the paint at this point. Look at that, and I just added a little sunflower in the center to give it a little cute little look. This is an adorable tray. Again, what you can't see is that I did add 2 additional cans in that same pattern at the bottom to make it more sturdy. You can sit something 1 to 3 pounds on it on a table. It should be fine. I just styled it with some succulents, and there you have it, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye.